Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. I've got a pet peeve, and here it is. Oftentimes, new speakers start out by talking about themselves in their speech, their background, why people ought to listen to them, something about the organization. Many organizations have a standard templates for their presentations that the first thing there is here's who we are and why we matter and all our great awards and everything, which is wonderful information. It's just not what you want to start with. It's not what you want in your opening. You want your opening to address what's in it for your audience. We have a saying in the speaker world, it's not here I am, it's there you are. So make sure that what you do in your first opening sentences is going to directly be applicable for your audience. It's going to be relevant for them, and it opens up your core message. Everything will follow after that, including why it's you. Why are you speaking? Here's my background. Here's all the awards I've won. All of that kind of thing. Here's the other tip around that. You can cover a lot of that in your introduction so people are warmed up to hear you. Bottom line, it's not, it's all about me. It's there you are. So make sure in your open, that's what you're addressing, that core message. And remember, all the world's a stage, all the men and women merely players. So make sure that your play is authentically yours. See you next time.